welcome back to my channel. If you're a new viewer, what's good? Make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe button and be a part of Vanessa gang, because Vanessa gang is the littest gang of all gangs, you feel me? So today I'm here to give you guys a little tutorial on how I got these 30-inch clip-ins. So shout out to HAIRSPELLS for sending me these bundles. You're very much appreciated. But enough of me talking, let's get straight into the video.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out. And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt. And now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down. Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't want to breathe out. And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt. And now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Personally, I feel like it's really simple. It's an easy go-to. Obviously, if I was leaving all of my hair out, I would have did a whole 2 bundles, maybe even a 3rd bundle, but my hair is pretty thin, so I got away with 1.5. So yeah, I don't recommend keeping in clips for a long period of time. I do suggest you take them out every night and put them back in, only because it does break hair for me. I don't know if there's clips that are safer than others, but the ones that I get, they're pretty basic and they will rip your hair. So yeah, I see other people tease their hair so that the clips don't fall out. I don't do that because I don't feel like I need to, because once curly hair gets dried up, it kind of gets nappy and stuff, so it will never just like slip off, you feel me? I do have like a lot of hair right here, so I think I am gonna put a little bit more leave-in conditioner and brush it out and try to tame it. But this is 30 inches. I'm loving it. If y'all know me, y'all know I love me some inches, so. But as always, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, Vanessa gang. Love you.